Hello, everyone. I'm Jaden, Customer Success Engineer at SerpAPI. Happy to be here and sponsoring the event. Where are we going? So at its core, SerpAPI is a search engine API provider. What that means is that we take your queries, we search various search engines in real time, and then return the results to you in nicely formatted JSON. SerpAPI was started by Julian Callaghy in 2017. Julian was working on various machine learning applications, trying to get them to run on his iPhone just for fun. But what he found was that the process of acquiring pictures for his applications was taking up the vast majority of his time. So acquiring proxies, rotating them, dealing with capture services, headless browsers, gluing that all together, and then dealing with parsing HTML, the structure of which was changing on a very frequent basis, was taking up about 80% of his time, leaving him none to play with things like his dog breed analyzer or meal calorie estimating apps. So at its core, this is basically our service. It's very, very simple. You send us a HTTP request with your query, and we respond with JSON. This is a valid search right here. However, most people do want to pass in a few more search parameters. So we have this very neat tool on our website. You pick your search engine, top left, and then you're displayed all the different search parameter options you can set, because those vary heavily from search engine to search engine. And when you then perform a test search with those parameters, you see both the results as in what they would look like in the browser, and then what we send to you in the JSON. And then in the browser view, if you click on a piece of information, it will be highlighted in the JSON view, making it very easy to see the path to that specific piece of data. Once you've structured your search how you want it, you can use the export to code feature up the top right to get the exact code you need to just paste into your code base. That very, very simple search has been doing very well for us. When I started in the middle of last year, I was employee number 30, and we're up to 47, I think, as of today. And this billing company, Brex, posted a list of the fastest growing software vendors last year based off their customers' expense data. And we're number 39 on that one. And I think that's particularly impressive because we're both profitable and revenue driven. We're not VC backed. So our growth isn't coming from sort of a spend $2 to make $1 sort of system. Customer support, definitely one of our strong points. Live chat, email, if you contact us, you're getting your messages going straight through to engineers who will help you. So there's no dealing with like layers of tiers of people who don't actually understand your problem. The fact that your message is going through to a person at all, I think, in this day and age, is becoming rarer and rarer, just based on the quantity of messages we get where the people are just assuming we're AI. This is a list of our supported search engines. So there's a fair few on there. However, we are selective with what we search, and we try to support, and we try to specialize only in search engines rather than being a one-size-fits-most scraping service. As we grow, we're adding more support for more and more, but we want to make sure we're always maintaining speed, performance, and well-structured JSON. So being able to access search information through an API is very generally useful. So it works for a whole bunch of different industries. I'm sure most of you could come up with a feature that uses search information in your applications. And my understanding is that's actually one of the terms and conditions of attending this conference, that you have to now go and do that. Please don't fact check that though. Thank you for listening to my short pitch. If you want to speak to me, you can come see me at the booth anytime today. And if you think you could have done a better job, then I have great news. We're hiring for a Python developer advocate, so jump on the careers section of our website. Thank you.